Experience this Tennessee house on 7.8 acres where peaceful country living meets functionality. From the moment you arrive, the large, beautifully landscaped yard invites you to imagine morning coffees on the porch, weekend gatherings, or simply enjoying wide open spaces surrounded by nature. Perfect for family time or entertaining friends. Natural light fills the rooms, highlighting the warm finishes and thoughtful details that make this house feel like home from the first step. The screened-in porch is a standout feature, offering a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Relax here with a morning coffee, enjoy quiet evenings, or entertain guests while overlooking your expansive yard, all without worrying about bugs or weather. It's the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for everyday living. For those who love hobbies or need extra workspace, this property includes a large shop with electric and a concrete floor. It's ideal for projects, storage, or even a personal studio. A small shed adds additional storage, making the property not only beautiful, but practical for all your needs. The full basement offers plenty of room for storage or expansion, giving you flexibility to create a recreation area, home gym, or additional living space. Combined with the shop and open land, this home offers endless possibilities for customization and growth. Located just minutes from town, this Tennessee property combines privacy, versatility, and scenic beauty. With its expansive yard, functional indoor layout, and impressive outdoor features, it's a rare opportunity to own a serene retreat that truly has it all.